The 2-in-1 combines a range hood and a cooktop in a perfect way. The controls are very easy to use. We have fast and flexible cooking zones, and also the cleaning is very easy. The 2-in-1 can be installed in nearly every situation. If you have an open plan kitchen and an island, of course, perfect. Because with the 2-in-1, you will not disturb the view. If a PowerFlex cooking zone is used with the twin booster function, you get the highest possible output. Because the power that normally 2 cooking zones will be used on just 1. And that, of course, reduces the heat up times really to a minimum. Maybe I like most the design, a very elegant and modern design. So in my opinion, it fits perfectly in every kitchen.